Hi guys! Mag-thank you din ko ron guys kay nagbuhat na ako kung every Saturday routine. Abigin ako guys, so dili na ako magbuhat kami kay nagsigi og ulan. So, karon day guys, instead nga akong daughter o akong sister-in-law akong kauban, wala sila kauban kay ang akong daughter namista. Ang akong sister-in-law wala kaari kay ulan. So, ako pag yung cellphone guys, tungod sa sigdali-dali kay basig dili na may kasulod diri sa boulevard. Ako pag yung cellphone nga nadala is karauton, that's why nga baka kamera akong gigamit o niya. Na naghawid nga kamera man. So guys, thank you so much God because na buhat ginako akong Saturday routine nga magpasingot every Saturday. So guys, look at the boulevard. Grabe makatuyo ang cameraman. So, thank you so much guys. See you on next Saturday. My weekly routine. My Saturday routine. Every Saturday routine. So, hope guys na from 86 to 85 to 83 and now we are 80 and 79. Last nakukuha nag 79 ako. So I'm happy because I lost 7 kilos. I lost 7 kilos guys. For I don't know if 3 months I think. Yeah, 7 kilos. 7 kilos is not bad, you know. Because mas better na we lose our weight slowly because it's healthy than we lose our weight fast. That's not healthy guys. So beware of that losing weight. Okay, more to guys. Thank you so much for watching everyone and thank you Lord because the rain is stopped and naka-exercise pa po. I arrived here 9:32 PM and the last cut off here is 10. So it was 28 minutes left. But nakahabol pa rin, di ba? So, more to guys. Thank you for watching everyone and thank you Lord for stopping the rain. That's why I make my Saturday routine. That's all for tonight. Bye-bye!